What if I told you your credit score isn't dropping because of bad luck, but because of 5 small mistakes you don't even realize you're making? And mistake number 3 is something almost everyone does. If you want a 700 plus credit score, you need to hear this. Hey everyone, welcome to Credit Boost USA, your go-to channel for simple and smart credit tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 mistakes that are secretly destroying your credit score. And the worst part is, most people don't even know they're making them. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you never checked your credit score and thought, why did it suddenly drop? If yes, you're probably making one of these mistakes. Let's fix that. Mistake 1, late payments. Mistake number 1, late payments. This is the most common and the most dangerous mistake. Even one missed payment can seriously damage your credit score. And here's the shocking part. A single late payment can stay on your credit report for years. That means one small mistake can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. Solution: set up autopay. Use reminders, and always pay at least the minimum on time. Golden rule: never miss a payment, ever. Mistake 2, high credit utilization. Mistake number 2, high credit utilization. This simply means how much of your credit limit you're using. For example, if your limit is $1,000 and you're using $800, that's 80% utilization, and that's bad. Experts recommend keep it below 30%, ideally between 10% and 20%. Why? Because lenders see high usage as a sign you're financially stressed. Solution: spend less, pay off balances early, or increase your credit limit. Mistake 3, too many applications. Mistake number 3, applying for too many credit cards. This is where most people go wrong. Every time you apply, a hard inquiry is added to your report, and each inquiry slightly lowers your score. If you apply multiple times in a short period, lenders think this person is desperate for credit, and that hurts your score. Solution: only apply when necessary, do your research first, and limit applications to 1-2 at a time. Mistake 4, closing old cards. Mistake number 4, closing old credit cards. This might sound surprising, but closing cards can actually hurt your score. Why? Because your credit history length matters. When you close an old account, your history gets shorter, and your utilization may increase. Solution: keep old accounts open, even if you don't use them often. Use them occasionally to keep them active. Mistake 5, ignoring your credit report. Mistake number 5, ignoring your credit report. Most people never check it, but here's the truth. Your report can have errors, fraud, or incorrect information, and all of that can destroy your score. Solution: check your report regularly. Dispute any errors, use free tools to monitor it. Now think about this. Which of these mistakes are you making right now? And if you keep making them, how long will it take you to reach a 700 plus score? Let's recap quickly. Late payments, high utilization, too many applications, closing old cards, ignoring your report. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and your credit score will start improving automatically. If you want me to show you how to build your credit score from 0 to 700 plus step by step, comment below, build credit. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Credit Boost USA. This channel is here to help you take control of your financial future. We break down complex credit topics into simple, practical steps so you can make smarter decisions with your money. Remember, your credit score isn't luck, it's strategy. Stay consistent, stay informed, and keep working towards that 700 plus score. I'll see you in the next video with more powerful tips to boost your credit. Until then, take control of your money, and don't let it control you.